We were talking about Emomali Rakhmonov and his family. Mairam, the mother of Emomali Rakhmonov, the leader of the self-proclaimed activist, did a lot. Her brother Faizuddin, who died in the army, was from her first husband. Pay attention to their photos, you will understand their shape and image. After that, the man left with Emomali's father. They began an affair, like Emomali's own daughters, who have one official and several unofficial. That is, this inheritance was passed on from the grandmother to her grandchildren. Azizmo from the newspaper, especially Tahmina, said that all her behavior was directed against the grandmother. Mairam met this man somewhere, either on the ground or on the top of the mountain. His father was a gambler. He had no owner. He was a young boy. Brother Muhammad Iqbal, you yourself said that Mairam Gurukta played with this boy. Frankly speaking, this man made many speeches, but I have a bad memory. I have forgotten all his words. Mairam had a cotton cap in the color of the Kyrgyz and Kazakhs, covered with reeds. He saw that this man was a gambler and had nothing to do with him, so he took him and placed him on the roof of his house. The old woman said that the man came to the village of Mairam Shan from time to time to play gambling. The day came when it got dark. Wolves attack inside the mountain stream. He leaves his donkey and runs. A tree branch comes out. Mairam, who was cooking with the girl, said to herself that the boy did not come, became worried and went in the direction she was going. The wolves, there were 4 of them, tore his donkey to pieces. The man was afraid to hang on the tree from night until morning. Then he saw that the wolves had gone, and he wanted to go down. However, due to fear, he could not come down from the height of the tree. Mairam, who was digging, saw him in the tree trunk. He leaves with a curse. 2 people come to Mairam's house and tell Mairam about the incident. He almost died of cold and hunger. So, that same day, Mairam said that, "Don't walk in front of me anymore and don't take this." He played and stole a lot, was from a very poor family. So, this old woman said that this leader came from this father. The mother of the chief herself saw that this man was homeless and took him. I think Mairam Gurukta is married for the 3rd time. This is her 2nd or 3rd husband. Her husband runs away and comes to Olachadara. Dad understands. That person gets an idea. They run away and go to Bashbulak. Her first husband did not marry. He comes to Olachadara. It is her husband who came to dig. They mate with Mountain Tori.